Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is When a Trash Talking 20-year-old Gets Instantly Humbled. Instantly? Ooh, okay. Let's get into it. Let's see what they're talking about.
On May 4th, 2022, officers responded to an apartment complex regarding a disturbance in the parking lot.
What's up, man?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What car you in?
I ain't in any of these cars.
Let's go. Then you gotta get out. Let's go.
Nah, I don't gotta go nowhere.
You live here?
I don't got. Yeah, I live here. You don't got.
Okay, what's
what
your
you
address?
walking up on me like that for? What's up?
What's your address?
Take that vest off. Come on.
Take that vest off for me.
Come on. Take that vest off. You know. Come on. Take that shit off. Let's get it.
All right,
Let's get it, bro. What's up? What's up?
Do me a favor,
Take that
man.
shit off. Take that shit off. Laugh like you're not a bitch.
Do me a favor.
Like
sit
you're
down.
not a bitch.
Ball
Take
up
that
your
shit
fist.
off.
Sit down.
Come on. Not take that shit off. Let's get it.
Wait, hold on. Why is he? Why he automatically coming off so like he like that? You know what I'm saying? Like it's like, yo, why don't you chill out a little bit? You feel me? Like just keep it pushing. You know what I mean? Keep it moving. You talking about take that vest off, this and that? Like, what do you want to catch a felony for? What? Like, you want to catch a felony for what? Is it really worth it?
Where do you live?
Your partner here like he's gonna do something. You ain't gonna do shit.
Where do you live, man?
I live right here. There ain't nothing about
What's
it.
your address?
Do something about it.
Huh?
How about that? Take your shit off and do something about it. You like I won't.
Like you what? Like you want what?
I ain't gonna say nothing on that camera.
What
So
do you
I'm
gotta
saying,
do?
take
What do
that
you
off.
gotta do? What do you
Take
do?
it off and you'll see.
Okay, take it off
and
and
you'll
see.
Yeah.
Let me get your ID.
You ain't gonna get shit.
Okay.
Take it off and you'll see. Well, what you laughing for? I'm writing your shit.
Where's-
Take it off.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm a minor.
So why'd you get in my face? What, you gonna hit me?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
That no, sir. What? Why you get in my face? You was gonna hit me? No, sir. No, sir. Hey, yo. You know you want to flex in front of your friends and all that. This guy looking at him like, is he serious? Like, is he serious right now? Like, that boy smacked his head against the car, against the car bumper. Watch this.
Take it off and you'll see. Well, what you laughing for? I'm writing your shit. Take it off.
Bow! Oh yeah, that's right, boy. You thought this
Put your hands behind
was
your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Get
Stop
your goofy
resisting.
ass
Put your hands behind
on,
your back.
man.
Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm a minor.
Good. You
So
can go
why'd
to
you get in my
juvie.
face? What, you gonna hit me?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
So why'd you get in my face then? I told you stop balling up your fist, right?
I did.
Okay, so why'd you get in my face? All right, stand up.
Not me too, sir.
Hey, you doing there? Back up.
Wait. Did he ball up his fist? Oh, here we go with the bystanders. Oh no. Oh no.
Back up.
Back up. Back up.
You do that? Back up.
Right now.
The f you doing, bro?
Back up. It's no big deal. It's no big deal.
Roll up on your side. Stand up.
You doing, bro?
Stand up. Get back right now.
Nah,
Back up.
this-
Back up.
I got him.
Hey, back up. What's up, man?
It's no big deal.
Wrong with y'all?
Nah, it's
Back
not.
up. Hey, back up. Back up now.
I got him.
Help, where you going?
Nah, bro. It's all good. I ain't doing nothing. No, it's no big deal. It's no big deal. It's no big deal.
Sit down.
Joey! It's no big deal. It's no big deal. I ain't do nothing.
I'm trying to help.
I ain't do nothing.
You let the man go to jail. I didn't have time to work on him.
I didn't do nothing, bro.
You were about to hit me, dude.
I was not about to.
So why'd you ball your fist and get in my face?
Because, dude, you're running up on me. Bro.
Yeah,
Like,
okay.
Get your little bitch.
What's going on with him? Step out. Step out.
Hey, give me my keys, bro. I'm sorry. I was just hyped up. Treat me. I respect you.
410-4 right now. We just got a lot of subjects here. We got one
He said, I'm sorry. I'm hyped up.
Let's go to jail.
If you get in my face, I'm
I'm not in
take
your
you
face,
to jail
bro.
with
I'm
him.
sitting as close as his, and you don't have a problem with him, huh? It's 3 feet of space. Are you a
Go
bitch,
stand
bro?
over there right now.
You's a bitch, bro. You bitch made, bro. You bitch
It's no
made.
big deal, bro. It's no big deal. Trust me. It's no big deal, buddy.
David Riley, that's the brother of this 1015. Just make sure he stays away.
I told you several chances. I said, hey, stop balling your fist. Chill out.
I apologize.
All right, I accept your apology, but
Seriously.
we
said
have to
I
take this out, man.
apologize.
I know. I'm sorry. I was just hyped up.
It's like 15 of you guys gonna let you punch me in the face. What do you think I am? A punching bag? Well, you look like you were gonna hit me.
I know, and I apologize. Sorry,
All right, why'd you have what's all the balling up your fist?
Sorry, so I'm just hyped up. That's all. There's a situation going on, sir. Honestly, I apologize.
Yeah, but listen, man. Listen to me. Anytime you come across police, you ball up your fist and get at somebody's face. I'm not, you know. What do you think? I'm a punching bag. I'm gonna let you punch me in the face.
No, I know, sir. Trust me.
so-
If you would have tasted me, I'd understand. Truthfully, like you got me in my ribs a couple times. It's fair.
Dude, yeah, 'cause I don't know what your gig is, but I appreciate you calming down. And but
Truthfully, like I put man to man.
That boy changed his whole tune. Like he went from one of them. He went. You know what he went from? He went from, you know, you got the group of the black guys or whatever, right? You got your boys, you know what I'm saying? But you always got that one white friend who, you know what I'm saying, who down, you know what I'm saying? He went from that to suburbs, schoolboy, you know, yeah, he switched his whole lingo up. Oh, I'm sorry, oh yeah, he switched that up real quick, boy. Yeah, you not down, you not as tough as you think you is, you not none of that. What? That officer dropped his head on the car like, what? Bow! Oh yeah, right. What you thought this was, boy? Oh, I'm a minor. Oh, okay, good. All right, good. You could get it cleared, you know what I'm saying? You could get it cleared by the time you turn 18 or whatever. Spend some time in juvie or something, you know what I'm saying? Get bond out, you know, whatever. And then your brother wanna pipe up like oh yeah, you could go too, boy. We got room for you too.
Sorry.
okay, listen. It's not personal, man. I'm doing my job. I appreciate you being sorry, but you know you screwed up. Okay.
Yeah, I apologize. I was acting big and tough. I f***ed up. I got thrown on the ground.
Okay.
It's in my ribs for that. Shit.
No problem. Stand by real quick. Do you have anything else in your pocket?
Yes,
Anywhere,
sir.
anybody?
You
No.
can check me anyways. I'm
Okay.
sorry and I apologize.
You're good.
Yeah, he switched that tone
I
up
respect
real
you as a man
quick.
for, saying you're sorry, but
man to man, I'm sorry.
gotta do what we gotta do. Just have a seat for me.
Right here?
No, over here.
Yeah, that's all right.
I'm right here. We'll call or do whatever needs to be done.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna explain to you right here what's going on, okay?
We don't need this other one, do we?
No.
So keep him over there.
Yeah, just keep him away. He was 2 seconds away from joining him.
Sorry about that.
No, you good, man. This is your house number or your cell phone?
That's something.
Okay. So, here's your stuff back. Like I explained to you, unfortunately right now he's going to be arrested for what he just did. Alright, they're going to...
What's the charge? Out of curiosity.
I'm going to talk to the other officer exactly, find out what his exact charges are. But regardless, he's going to be taken down. Do you know the Juvenile Assessment Center is? On 45th Street, just past the
45th
hospital. Yeah, you know where the road tracks are? He's 35. That's where the Juvenile Assessment Center is, correct? What's going to happen is he's going to get taken down there. They're going to process him. And then...
Why
they're gonna-
juvenile?
How old is he?
20.
He's 20 years old? Someone over there said he was 16. If he's 20, then he's going down to county jail.
That's good.
All right? So, regardless, you can call down in a few hours. They'll figure out how you can get him
And
home,
he
right?
lying?
Yeah.
So, all right.
It is what it is, right?
Are you good with keeping him calm? He's not
No,
gonna
I
be an
got
issue
him.
for
I
you?
got him. Can I say one thing to my son before he leaves so he doesn't freak out?
I'll let him know.
Just crack the window. I don't have to see
I'll
it.
let the other officer know because our supervisor's going to talk to him. And then before they leave, I'll
It'll
let
only
them know.
take a second.
Before they leave, I'll let them know you want to talk to them, all right? I just want to make sure you're good with the other son, okay?
Yeah. I am, but I'm pivotal.
Tell if we can find out a charge for him, maybe to cool him down a little bit.
He's good.
I think it's probably resisting arrest or something like that.
They've been together because I wasn't around for a while.
All right. It's
have
probably
each
a
other?
misdemeanor. It's
They
probably a
only have each
misdemeanor
other.
resisting arrest charge. He was wanting to know. He's fired up about it.
No, I want to be out. No, I don't care. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, he's another idiot.
Just kidding. I'm not happy we're here. I don't know if it's what we're doing. Oh, I remember this house. All they ever had with each other. I went around for a few years here, so they're very tight. That's all they have.
Like I said, it's probably a misdemeanor resisting arrest charge. I don't know the whole ins and outs of it.
Yeah.
We just can't have him fighting around with you guys or
No,
the
he's not
grandma.
fighting. He's just upset about his brother.
I hear you.
If I could just speak to him for a second before he goes, if you could let me know.
We'll try to figure that out here in a
Or
minute.
do it now. It takes like 3 seconds.
I'm not the one in charge over there. I don't know what's going on. If he did something for us to have supervisors out here, it's probably something that he needs to sit there and think about what he did for a minute, okay?
So they don't want to cooperate, they didn't say anything? No. They said they saw it, but then they were like, no, we ain't got nothing to say. So, all right, then if you have nothing to say, then get out of here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, that's impractical. Multiple uncooperative witnesses. All right, well, I'm sorry I had to turn out this way. It is what it is. If you were a police officer, you probably understand why I had to do what I had to do.
I was raised around police officers.
So, sir, do you have your license with you?
Yeah, I already gave it.
Oh, you got his 14? Thank you. Alrighty. You want to talk to him real quick? I'm going to end up taking him to the hospital, and then he's going to take the ride, okay?
Calm down. No, I'm not. You got to take it.
No, I know, I'm not getting out. I just want, can I stand up and at least say goodbye? Like,
No, you can't get out of the car, man. You got to stay there.
Are you arresting me?
Yeah, you're arrested right now.
For what? Like, what did I do?
For assault on a law enforcement officer.
That's not assault. I never touched you.
Okay, well, you were about to. That's why it's
No,
assault.
I wasn't about to.
Honey,
That's the
honey,
thing.
Okay, well, I'm not going to argue with you, man.
Listen, it can go to court and then they can throw it out. If that's what it
Well,
takes. If
obviously,
that's
this guy kicked me in his rib.
No,
my
he's
ribs.
he's actually halfway.
No, I know. He is decent. He was decent.
Dude, I gave you so much respect, and you know it, man. I gave you respect so
Not
much.
really. Like, I had like 2 seconds. Obviously, you seen
when
I
you
was
get older,
upset.
honey,
How many?
And, like,
Yeah, listen, man. How many times did I try to tell you, hey, relax, dude, stop balling up your fists?
Like, maybe once. I'm sure it's on your body cam.
It's all on body cam. That's the great thing about having a body cam. It's all on body cam.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I know it's
Listen,
okay.
it's okay, man. I'm not here to argue with you. I'm just here so you can talk to your dad real
I know
quick.
he's not one of those. I can tell when he is. I know he's not. So have I. I know he's not one of those. That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to explain to you, like,
Yeah, man.
But
can you at least readjust my cuffs? One of my hands.
I'm gonna do all of that before we leave.
Can I have my brother come and stuff to say goodbye?
No. We can't have everybody come say goodbye.
So it's just one person?
Yeah, just your. It doesn't even have to be your dad. I'm just doing your dad the
Tell
favor.
me mom's number so I can remember it. Oh gosh.
All right.
Thank you. I appreciate it. More than
Hang tight, man. Watch your leg.
customer service.
Yeah, you know, dad's a decent dude, but kid messed up. Do you have any like marks or anything? On his elbows, he's got scuffs on his elbows. Hey, my cousin needs to take a couple pictures of your elbows, right, man? You want me? Sorry, right there. You can see it from here. Got it? It's on your right elbow? I think they're all both. Big deal.
Do you even know what you were called for? Called for like disturbance or what? I mean, I know a decent amount about cops.
Something like that. One of your neighbors called.
A neighbor calls for a disturbance.
Yeah, something like that.
But why did y'all go after him? Of course he's gonna stand against cops.
That is enough.
What happened, man? Why the outburst tonight?
Well, I was just upset. Like, there's a lot going on.
Yeah.
Obviously, I wasn't gonna touch him. You know, I had so much time to touch him. I would have if I wanted. You know.
Okay.
It's just I like I was just being stupid.
Well, what? We came here for a noise complaint, and then it went south really
Yeah,
quick.
we were all just around and like I don't know. I just got upset and then I.
Been drinking and stuff, or?
Huh?
You been drinking a little bit?
No.
Sure?
Yeah, 100%.
All right.
Test
You
me
act
whatever
like
want.
that
I haven't had
sober?
a single drink. I haven't had nothing.
Okay. All right. Very good. So a bunch of people were saying that, like you got in the officer's face and stuff, and told him to take
Well,
his
we
vest
were
off.
close, yeah. Like, I was talking shit, I'll admit, but that's just talking shit, you know?
Okay.
If I had so much time to touch him, if I was going to touch him, I would touch him. You know?
Okay.
I was just talking shit, I'm stupid.
What were you saying to him?
Like, I don't even remember how it happened. So I was just talking shit. Like, I was just frustrated that,
Okay.
like, because every time cops come over here, they're just, like, complete assholes. So I was just frustrated. Like, I was hanging out with my friends and stuff.
Yeah, as soon as this is done, we're on 98, we're taking off.
Pretty close.
Like, closer than you and I right now? Okay. And
Like,
just,
about 2 feet.
just hooting and hollering and yelling and screaming?
Yeah, just talking shit, that's all.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, I regret it, trust me, I regret it.
All right.
Sure, you know.
I'm going to go to the hospital with him and make sure he's good. Okay. I'm going to head over there too. Okay. You got photos of him all right? I got photos.
Dang, they got him with carrying a concealed weapon because of the brass knuckles. Ooh, that's the extra. That's just like an extra ding. You hear me? Like, ooh.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.